This is exercise 1.2 question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers and verify that LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. First, let us see 26 and 91. We'll write down the prime factors of it. So here I'll write down 26 and here I'll write down 91. And now we'll write down their prime factors. See here. Now 26 is divisible by 2. So here 2 ones are 2 3s are. 13 will be as it is, like this way. And for 91, we have to check 91 comes in whose table here. Okay. Here 91 comes in 13's table. 13 sevens are. So I can write down prime factors of 91 as 13 and 7 because both the numbers are prime numbers. Or we have to use the divisibility test for 2, 3, then for 5, 7 and so on. Correct. So if we are getting the answer easily, then write down. Otherwise, we have to go slowly according to the divisibility test. So here I'll write down 26, which is equal to 2 into 13 and 91, which is equal to 13 into 7. To find out HCF, just look which is the common number here. 13. This 13 is there. So 13 is HCF. For LCM here I'll write down 13, which is common. Only once we are going to write. And the remaining factors 2 and 7. And now I'll multiply all these numbers here. 13 into 2 sevens are 14. 13 into 14, our answer comes as 182. We got our HCF, we got the LCM. Now we have to verify. So here, verification, I'll write down LCM here, LCM into HCF, which is equal to 13 into 182. If I do the product, our product comes as 2366. Now I'll multiply both the numbers. Here I'll write down product of two numbers. So which are those two numbers now? 26 into 91. As I do the product, I get 2366. Now look at these two numbers. The product of LCM HCM comes this one and product of two numbers comes this one. So both the answers are same. It means that finally we will write down LCM into HCF, which is equal to product of two numbers. It is getting proved, right? Let us see for the second one. Second one here, 510. I'll write down 510 here. And here 92. Once again we'll write down the prime factors for this, both the numbers. So see here at the unit place 0 is there, so the number is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, 2 5s are 10, 1 is remaining, 2 5s are 10. See at the unit place 5 is there, I will divide the number by 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are. This 5 plus 1 comes as 6. It comes in 3's table. So number is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are, 2 is remaining, 3 7s are. Now this is 17. Done. Now come to 92 here. Number is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. Then 1 6 are here. Then 2 here, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. 23 here. Correct. So here I'll write down 510, which is equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 17. Correct? Here. And 92, which is equal to 2 square into 23. I need to write down HCF. For HCF, I will see the common factor. Who is the common factor here? This 2 and this one here. This one and this one. But whenever the common numbers are there, you have to say the prime factor who is having minimum, or you can say the least exponent. So 2 raised to 2 and here 2 raised to 1. So 2 raised to 1 is the smaller one. So for the HCF, I will take only 2. Now, no any other factor is common. So here our HCM comes as 2. Okay. Now here what I will write down? LCM. For LCM, look at the common factor here. From the common factor, the number who is having the highest exponent. So 2 square. So 2 square I'll write down, and remaining all the factors. 5 is there, 3 is there, 17 is there, and 23 is there. I'll write down the product of these numbers here. See, 2 square, that means 4. 4 5s are 20 here. Okay, this is 20. 17 3s are 51 into 23. So 23 and 20. It will become 460 into 51, which is equal to. So here product if I do, so what I get? 23,460. This is the product of these two numbers. So I got the LCM also. Now I will check here. I will do the verification. So here verification, that means LCM into HCF. So our LCM is 23,460 into HCF is 2. So our answer comes as 46,920. Now I'll write down product of two numbers. See here, product of two numbers, which is equal to here 510 into 92, which also comes as 46,920. Correct? See, both the numbers are same. So finally you can write down LCM into HCF, which is equal to product of two numbers. Correct? Let us see the third one. Now 336. Here I'll write down 336 and here I'll write down 54. Once again we need to do the prime factorization. See here, 6 is even number, so I can divide it with 2. So here 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining, 2 6 are 12, 1 is remaining, 2 8s are. Now here 2 once again, 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are here 8. Right? Now 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are. Now once again by 2, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Now 21 comes in 3's table. So here 3 7s are. Done? Correct. Now come to another number here. Look at the unit place 4 divisible by 2 then. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. Now here 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are 1. Correct. Now this 336 we can write down. How many times 2 is coming? Once, twice, thrice, 4 times. Correct. So I will write down here 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 7. Now for the another number 54, here 2 is there and 3 cube is there. And now I'll write down HCF. Now see the common number. So 2 is there and 2 raised to 4 is there. Now out of this 2, I will take the number which is having minimum or least exponent. So 2 raised to 1 is here and 2 raised to 4 is there. So which one I will choose? 2 raised to 1 I will choose. Into here 3 and 3 cube. Out of these 2, which one I will choose? 3 I will choose. Right? 3 is having 1 exponent. Now HCF became what? 6. I need to write down LCM now. See? For LCM, look at the common number first. Here 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 4. Out of these 2, I will choose the prime who is having the highest exponent, 2 raised to 4. For the another one 3 and 3 cube. Out of that I will choose 3 cube and the remaining factor. Right? Now see, 2 raised to 4 is 16 and 3 cube is 27. into 7, and then I will write down the factors here. Here 16 sevens are 112 into 27. Now look at this one. Our LCM comes as 3024. Now we'll do the verification. See the verification now. Verification. Now LCM into HCF, which is equal to, our LCM is 3024 into, our LCM is what? HCF is 6. So the product comes as 18,144. Now we'll multiply both the numbers, product of two numbers. Here, product of two numbers, which is equal to 336 into 54. Once again we are getting the same answer, correct? Therefore LCM into HCF, which is equal to product of two numbers here, and it is getting verified. I hope all of you understood these three sums.